Hello, so today is another unboxing of a handmade business, a small business, an Etsy shop, all of those wonderful things, and a toy video as well. I haven't been able to make a toy video since last year. Quite honestly, things have been kind of hard this year for my family in lots of ways, and I apologize that I haven't been able to get any homemade toys like I wanted to, but I will add this to the playlist that I already have of toys and handmade shops. Anyway, let's get to it. Look how absolutely beautiful she wrapped this. Again, just like the other videos, I love a real ribbon. A real ribbon is so wonderful because you can reuse it for so many things. You can use it in your hair, you can tie up another present for it, even make ornaments or whatnot. And I love the color of this one, like a dusty pink. And a beautiful little sticker there. It says handmade with love. And her shop is called Laura Beth Boutique Company. I will link it in the description as well. She makes little wooden like peg dolls. This is for my daughter's birthday. I'm going to try to take this out carefully from the box here. I hate to rip such a pretty sticker. Maybe I can peel it carefully. Oh, there we go. All right. Just so my daughter can kind of reopen it herself. There. You can kind of tape it back. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, my daughter will absolutely love this. She sent pencils. My little girl loves to color and draw. She's very good. She's a wonderful little artist. And we do homeschool, so she could use these pencils. They're so cute. There's a shiny red one and a green one with Christmas things on it with dogs. Oh my gosh, it's dogs. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Another beautiful little string on a card that says thank you. I also give out cards when I send a order as well. I feel like a handwritten card shows so much how you care. Here's her card here. Megan, thank you for placing an order with me. I hope this little house is loved and brings joy to imaginative play time on the go or at home. Laura Beth. Please consider leaving a review. I love to hear from happy customers. And it helps my small business grow. Of course it does. I will be contacting her not only for a review, but also to tell her that I made this video. So I hope that it can help her in any way. I am a firm believer, and that is one of the things I believe in so much, is to shop small and handmade and to help each other out, help an artist help another artist. It is one of the most important things that you can do because it keeps people going with creativity, and small business helps their families, of course, and it just is a wonderful thing to do. Handmade things really are handmade with love. They really are. Here is her business card with her socials and her shop, her Etsy shop, but I will also link it there too, and just in case this is blurry, hopefully not. So this is the box. It's a little wooden box with a latch. I love wood toys. They last forever. So I racked my brain to decide whether I wanted to get her a Christmassy one or a fall one. And I chose this one, and I'm glad I did. It has a little mirror and then the little leaf garland. It's like a little room. So first is the little couch. And then a little end table, and this is the bed. See the bed? And it's wool for the little comforter and the little wooden headboard. And then here's the little tiny blanket. Try to straighten my... Oh, goodness. And then here are all the little pieces. And it's wonderful she put a little bag in here too, so that all these little pieces have a little bag to go in. Here is the doll. She's hand painted. Put her on the couch for right now. Here is a little square that I'm not sure where this goes quite yet. I don't remember. Here is the little pillow for her bed, hand crocheted. Here is a book, the doll's little book for reading. Let's put that on her bed. Here is the little flower in a flower pot. Could put that on there. And look at the pumpkin. There's the pumpkin. We put that on the little table. And of course she's got a treat, a little donut. And of course her little cup and plate for drinking her coffee or her tea or her cocoa to go with that donut. And she had to have a little friend. So here's her little squirrel friend. My daughter loves to see the squirrels all busy in the yard all the time, and she loves to see the rabbits as well. So I thought the squirrel was too cute. She has the most beautiful sets for Christmas too, and I got this one on sale because it was a fall one. She had the Halloween ones and the fall ones marked down, so I thought my daughter would really love this one because it was just so cute. They're all so cute, quite honestly. What a wonderful little thing. And then everything fits back in the little bag, and then you shut the little box up and latch it, and they can bring it anywhere with them for an easy way to travel with it and play. It would actually be another really cool thing to play with if you were on a plane ride. If you have to take a child on an airplane, it would be an easy thing that's a small box to pack in their little carry-on, and they could play with it on their tray table. That would be another good idea, or in the airports when you're waiting for a long time. So I hope you really like this like I do. Her shop is absolutely adorable, and I thank you so much for watching today. And I will link, like I said before, all of the stuff in the description for her, as well as the playlist of all the other handmade shops and things that I've bought over the years, so that I have a wonderful gift guide. That was my dream and my goal, was to have a gift guide so people could see these things at home and see if they really like them, and it can help support other businesses as well. I will have more soap videos coming real soon, and I thank for all the support in my shop, in my channel as well. I hope you have a wonderful day and a happy holiday season. Bless ya. Thank you. Bye.